So we've just finally finished. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've not got to my channel. So today what's the plan is me and Upin will be going to a workshop. We got some work to do. Guys, here we are. We just arrived to our first place where we'll be paying some of our utility bills. So we're just waiting and searching for a parking. So we got a parking over here. So we've just finally finished. Guys, now we are entering the floating bridge of Dubai. So you can see a lot of traffic over here. Just stop for a quick lunch. Just gonna eat. Just gonna grab some quick lunch. So guys, here we are. We're gonna have some Pakistani bread, some raita. There you go. This is a dal kadai. This is a chicken gravy. It's very crowded right here. I cannot take any more videos, guys, so let me just jump in and eat the food. We are super damn hungry. Okay guys, we just finished our lunch. Now we'll do some shopping. We need to buy some things for our home. Then after that, I will go for a haircut. I seriously need some haircut. Then after that, we'll head to the showroom. We'll do some servicing. Okay, I'm gonna show you magic. 1, 2, 3. Hope you guys like the switch. Now, and also hope you guys like my new hairstyle. So after many days, I got my hair. So now we are on our way to the workshop. We need to show the car. We need to do some servicing. So we are on our way. Finally are in the workshop. So right now guys, it's really hot outside. I cannot go outside because I've been sweating a lot all day long. So I'm here in the car outside. So Open is just talking to someone. Let's see guys, we are just waiting. Let's see. Guys, I need to go on top. So let's see. This is the workshop.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm home finally, and for the whole day I was out of my home. Like I've already shown you guys on all the video, and you can see where I've been and what I did all day long. And right now I'm home. I feel fresh. I took shower, and trust me guys, it was really hot outside, and I feel very good back home. So let's see, it was quite a busy day guys, and I'll try my best to upload more videos, to make some more interesting videos. So that was pretty much my busy day for today. I hope you guys liked my video. Please hit the like button if you really liked it, and those who are new to my channel, please watch all the videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll make sure that I'll be uploading more interesting videos. So with all that said guys, spread the happiness, live in peace. Boom.